In this video, I want to talk about how you can top up your eToro money balance. Now, the easiest way to do this is to head over to eToro.com and select the deposit funds. Now, keep in mind, before this works, you need to have a verified account, so make sure you're verified completely and you go through all of the steps in there, so you answer the questionnaire and all of that. Once you've done that, click deposit funds and it's gonna look like this. Then what you can do is you can choose the currency that you want to use the money. Usually it's USD, Euro, and if you have some local currency, it will show in there. Then what you want to do is either select credit, debit, or bank transfer. And then what you want to do is just fill in the details, press deposit, and then you will now have the money on your account. So this is the easiest way to do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.